Orange turmeric immunity booster or shots. In winter, this is a great way to boost our immune system and overall health made with just 5 simple ingredients. I've taken 3 oranges, separate the segments, add it to a blender jar. Next, adding 2-inch slice fresh ginger, peel off the skin. And the third ingredient, very important, is turmeric root. These days, this is available in most of the stores. So I've taken 2-inch slice, peel off the skin, add it to the blender jar, and 3 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, and adding 1 cup water and blend it well. I'm gonna strain the juice and pour in a short glass. And very important, before having this, add a few pinches of freshly ground black pepper. Black pepper will help to activate the curcumin in turmeric. Sip this, it actually tastes really good. So try this, stay healthy, take care, and enjoy.